Okay, so y'all please forgive me. I picked the windiest day to be out here recording, but we got to get this stuff done. We can get it done, right? So today we are going to be looking at two cases from the company Mouse. Now, I've done a full review on these, and you'll see that review as well. But what we really want to do is we want to test out and see if their claims are true and that they have some of the most protective cases out there for your iPhone 15 Pro Max and your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's talk about them. All right, so we got them unboxed. Now, the boxing for the mouse case is very minimalistic. They are taking this keep the earth clean seriously. So this box is economical, reusable, recyclable, and all that good stuff. Please recycle. It's made out of just paper. So bravo with making that so that we don't have plastics and everything everywhere. All right, getting down to the good part. These are cases that we're going to be talking about. The iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Now, both of these cases are from the Limitless collection. Yes, they are both from Limitless collection. So this one has the aramid fiber pattern on the back. Very smooth sides. This is kind of smooth on the back, but it's not slippery, not slick. On the inside, you do get a microfiber lining, and that is on both of these. And you do get the magnetic ring, MagSafe over here, and just magnetic for the Samsung device. Both of them have the green outline on the inside, just as we can see on both of them. This one is the Walnut Limitless for the S24 Ultra, and over here, iPhone 15 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these devices over in there. And they go in, they fit really snug, really smoothly. I like the fit on them. Now, the main reason we are here because we want to do some type of drop testing for these devices. Now, full disclaimer, I am going to do a drop test. I am not throwing my device in the air. I like that color combo. I like the fact that it's kind of smooth on the back, kind of slick, but these sides have grips. So when you go pick it off the table, the first thing you're gonna do is reach for the textured gripped sides. And now for the iPhone casing, you do have tactile button here, tactile button here, tactile action button. You gotta have an action button nowadays to even be in the conversation of like best case. Protection for your camera. Now, protection for camera, that's where it gets a little, it's like right over where the lenses are. So you do get a layer of protection, and you do get a extra lip around here. Let's make sure we got it all the way flush around the phone. Yeah, it just looks a little funny. Like it protrudes toward the top and then gets slim around the bezels. So you do get that extra layer top and bottom, all case, all the time. Now I do have a 9H hardness screen protector on here, so that's an extra layer of protection that we provide, and there's no bubbling around the edges with my screen protector. Here we go. S24 Ultra. Tactile buttons, no issues there. Each one of these cases does have a slot for a lanyard on the side, as you can see right there. So we do get extra options if we need them. You get the mouse logo at the bottom of both of them, and once again, textured sides on all of them. That lip, same lip, it kind of goes away on the sides, and then it's more protruding on top and bottoms. And around our camera, like it's a nodule. Like it's thin down here, gets thick up top, and when you drop it, either way, everything is protected. So we want to test the wireless charge out on these as well. And there we go. You got the charge right there, no issues. And this one, magnet inside as well. And there we go. So we do have wireless charge on both of these. We did not have any doubts that it wouldn't do it, but we still gotta check it out. So both of these are Qi charging cases. So as far as protection goes in a standard setting, I think this is going to be a really great case for a standard drop. Now, I know we've all seen mouse advertisements and how they go out and they take the phones and they throw them in the air and nothing is wrong with that phone after it hits the ground concrete. So that is what we are going to recreate. But once again, I am not going to be doing it with my official devices just because I am not trusting of anyone throwing a phone in a case and it landing on concrete and not breaking. So today we're going to be using an iPhone 15 Pro Max model, and an S24 Ultra model. So let's go back outside and let's talk about it. All right, so we are back outside and we are going to take our display model phones. These are not my real devices. Just like I said, I don't trust that I can throw these in the air and have them not break. Once again, please forgive this wind. It's crazy out here today. But we got to get this done. So we got two of these cases, and a lot of y'all have been asking. So we're going to throw both of them in the air. We're going to do like regular drops first just to see how they work and if they're going to break. So regular drops first. So I'm roughly 6 feet tall. This is a 6-foot drop, and this is concrete right here. And I'll just back up even more so you can just see. I'm gonna drop it on the concrete. I'll pick them up. I'll bring them right back to the camera so you can see what they look like in 3, 2, 1. All right. Pick both of them up. All right, so picked them up, came right back, and the phones, the screens have no cracks, no nothing. Cameras intact, screens intact. There is a little bit of scuff on the bottom of this casing right here, but that's about it. The S24 casing really has no scuffs, no scratches. So a 6-foot drop, it survived. Now, their claims may be true because I held it over my head, I dropped it, no problems. Now, I'm going to toss it into the road now. Both of them, just toss them into the street just to see how they work. And typically they go down, they throw them up, they land on concrete, and they pick them back up and they work fine. So I just want to see if these are going to break in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm going over to pick them up. I gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. I've done drop tests with other cases before, and everything is 100% intact. So, if you had any question about mouse, oh, hold up. So, just inspecting the camera, we did get some damage back here on this lens, but that's really it. So, and remember, this is a model device, so I expected a little bit of damage just because it's not made out of the real material that a real phone would be made out of. But I would have to say I'm thoroughly impressed. Mouse, you actually did a really good job with putting this stuff together, and your advertisements are not fake. I went out, I tossed it 2 times, did not break. So big thumbs up. I recommend these cases to anybody out there who wants to check them out. Once again, real world drop testing. These are model devices. Like I said, I wasn't gonna throw mine in the air, but I am truly impressed with the way that these have came out. Okay, so I did like splice this piece into the middle of the video just because I know a lot of people are gonna say I did not remove the phone from the casing. So I still got the same phones right here. I'm just gonna toss them back up in the air once again. This is how confident I am. I'm gonna toss them back up in the air again. I'll pick them up, I'll walk right back to the camera. I will take each one of them out and show you that there's no damage. Okay, that time it broke. So it did break after that throw. You can see it right here. Screen broke. It's 100% real. I just walked back, I tossed it, it cracked. So maybe after a few drops, it's gonna break because I kind of just tossed it and it cracked. Let's see how this one does. And like I said, I'm just putting this back in the video just because I wanted people to know 100% what's going on with these cases in 3, 2, and 1. All right, so Samsung case right here. Okay, we already know the iPhone is broken. It's over here in my hand. I'm gonna just throw it in the grass. And we got the Samsung case. We're not going to cut any video out of this, and still intact. Everything looks good. So I still would recommend these cases for their protection, their level of protection. Yeah, I just wanted to be 100% so I could show you guys. After about 3 drops, the iPhone one did break, but the S24 Ultra one, its phone is still intact. No problems, no issues there. So, Limitless cases from the company Mous. Go by and check them out. This is 100% real. I bought these cases. I did not contact Mous. I did not reach out to them. I did this drop test on my own, and it works. So go out and check yours out. I'll be sure and drop links below so you can do this. This is their Limitless series for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as well as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I can't say much more about it. It passed the drop test. So go out and check them out. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.